KUGN News Talk 590 with Storm and Al. And a few months ago, we talked with John Broom from Cascade Health Solutions. He was gearing up to have the grand opening to this new healthcare clinic. And then we had the grand opening. We spoke with him and it went fabulous. And I have come across somebody that has been enjoying Cascade Health Solutions now in Linda Finley. Good morning, Linda.
Good morning, Storm.
How you doing this morning?
I'm doing great.
Well, you are a patient actually now and a member of Cascade Health Solutions. You're one that heard about it and went down and checked it out, and now you're a member. So take me through the process of not having health care and then finding and hearing about Cascade Health Solutions.
Well, I moved up here about 3.5 years ago from California, and I had Kaiser down there.
Okay.
But I don't live in an area where, I can get Kaiser up here.
Sure.
And so I no longer had coverage, and the problem is I had a couple of pre-existing conditions. So in attempting to find health care, to find insurance, I could not. Nobody wanted to cover me.
Sure.
And so I've been kind of just winging it. I found a strange little plan that allowed me to copay, but it was $75 copay for everything.
Wow.
And then they didn't cover a whole lot of things, about half the stuff that I needed, so I was paying full price. So it had become really untenable. And then I heard on the radio this ad for Cascade Health Solutions and for people who couldn't get health coverage. So I immediately went down, and they just took me right on, and it was inexpensive and easy, and it's like I'm paying $45 a month with a $20 copay for any office visits, and they've just been amazing.
My gosh, this is a great story.
Well, I'm getting coverage. For the first time, I'm sitting down with a doctor in almost 5 years. First time I've had an annual women's exam. First time I've had a mammogram. All this in almost 5 years.
Oh my gosh, and just the peace of mind being able to sit down and talk to a doctor and knowing that you can afford it.
Right, and that they have just been amazing. The nurse practitioner I've been working with, my first visit was 45 minutes long. She sat there and asked me questions and wanted to know, all my health history, and then we just talked about things and what my concerns were. And right there in the office, they went ahead and, because my dad had a history, my dad's side, there's a major history of heart disease. So they just did an EKG, and that was included in my $20.
Oh, my gosh. This is so cool that you're telling us about this, because many people think these new places that open up, it's going to be this cattle call. You come in and out, and you got to be real quick because it's a lot less expensive. But that's not so.
I haven't waited, more than 2 minutes for somebody to come and get me to go in for an exam. It's been amazing.
Well, I really appreciate you checking in with us. So Cascade Health Solutions, it is your health solution for health care.
It really has been, and even the lab work I needed because of my blood sugar. They needed to do lab work. That's included.
Wow, a success story. We love to hear them. Linda Finley, we really appreciate you taking the time to check in with us, and this is going to be an ongoing story. I just feel it with John Broom starting up Cascade Health Solutions, and I just take my hat off to him and really appreciate your call and checking in with us.
Well, thank you so much, Storm. Everybody needs to know about this because this is a godsend for anybody who's got any kind of a struggle with getting health coverage.
Well, we appreciate your time, Linda. Linda Finley with Storm and Al here on KUGN News Talk 590.